frustrated by the popping in your podcast audio? Then it might be time to invest in a pop filter. Let's talk about why they are the best way to protect your audio quality and walk through the best budget-friendly options on the market. Pop filters provide protection against popping sounds from what's called plosives in your speech. This is when you pronounce hard consonants like P or B, and it causes a rush of air to hit the microphone, resulting in a popping noise. A pop filter will block that rush of air from hitting the microphone. You can live without a pop filter, but it's a simple solution to an easily preventable problem. Remember, it's easier to prevent bad audio than it is to fix it. Before investing in a pop filter, it's best to consider what will suit your podcast setup the best so that you can narrow down what you're looking for. You want to consider the size of your mic so your pop filter covers it properly. Think about if you'll be moving around a lot. If so, you might want to opt for a bigger pop filter, giving you extra room to move around and speak at different angles. A curved pop filter will give you more room to move around than a flat pop filter. Consider what pop filter will be best suited for your setup and your budget. A nylon mesh filter is affordable but easily breakable. A metallic mesh pop filter is stronger and more durable, but these tend to be smaller. If you're looking for a pop filter on a budget, you can check out these options and we've linked them all in the description. If you're not willing to invest in a pop filter, then the best way to get around this is by placing your microphone at a 45 to 90 degree angle under your mouth. This way, plosives will go over the microphone rather than into it. If you're feeling crafty, you can make your own pop filter. These are all of the supplies that you'll need, and luckily you can find most of them in your house. The first thing that you're going to want to do is take your wired clothes hanger and bend and mangle it into a shape that looks like this. Then you're going to want to take the foot of your pantyhose or your nylons and stretch it over the circle that you made with your wired clothes hanger, pulling it tight at the bottom and securing it with either an elastic band or a hair elastic. That's all there is to it. Now you have your own DIY pop filter that you can either clamp or tape to a desk or even hold in front of your mic with your hand. We hope this video helped you decide on the right pop filter for your needs. If you liked this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. And before you go, subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon so that you never miss another video.